My name is Ram Krishna Khairam. I'm lecturer in physics. I'm going to teach you physics for class 11 and 12. Hello students. Ngasi akoina tawduriba topic asi class 11 gi unit number 1 gi physical world amasung measurement haiba unit adugi akoi makha chathrak topic sing ni ngasi akoina nainagdoriba topic sing asina errors ni ko maruina. So let us see ko. Next is a combination of error to the error of a sum. Error of the sum have any physical quantity any with error yawring measure to any tension my final answer do kya target again. Suppose two physical quantities A having a B having a my experiment my measure values A plus minus del A aduga B gina B plus minus del B losi. Sida koina A losi se si A mindu ni ko sina delta A sina delta A mindu. Hoji koi fast addition gi hana tosi. Hoji koi yo physical quantity ma koi define tosi ba ngasai koina only ba A siga B siga tension raga Z time. So therefore Z would be equal to A plus B. Hoji koi sida yo sida kamai tuni sigi A gi term se C hapsal lo aduga B gi term sina B da hapsal lo. Ko aduga yeng si Z to physical quantity se my error represent by delta Z happy type the so this Z will become Z plus minus del Z with error ko. At the same time A gina A plus minus delta A tarni aduga B gina B plus minus delta B ta do. Hujik yam chamba ko yung mathematical expression among torchi ko. Si tong matam da ko kamay tawni Sige A ga sema koi tongan thambirni delta A siga delta B siga mo tongan thambirni. Now here if you compare ko si ani na compare to ring khalisi ko compare to matam da plus minus del Z siga kai to ba plus minus del A plus del B siga tar ne. Yare ko aduna di the possible values of delta Z se kya earning aham de plus delta Z is equal to plus delta A plus delta B earning. Next the possible ne kayo bi ai plus delta Z se minus to the whole ko delta A plus delta B into we next ani shubadana minus delta Z plus whole delta A plus delta B tarni aduga yung iroi loi badana minus delta Z is equal to minus whole ko delta A plus delta B the high ba my possible values in the quite chaw my maximum values kana ni that will be given by the first term. See, quite chow. Quite chow. So therefore, the maximum value of delta Z se kya earning that will be delta Z is equal to delta A plus delta B earning. Shima khange ko. Next is difference ki low si. Difference ki low ta same koi physical quantity A ga B ga lower si ko. Yung difference tadi yung koi term mo define to get Z is equal to A minus B na. Adamai to na Z ki koi na plus minus ko delta Z thambare that will equal to A plus minus del A minus B plus minus delta B. Admai to the Queen A ga tongan huji she rearrange the record. Tormatunga delta Z magi possible value meam tholakane. My two there will be 4 possible values. Adagi quite maximum values here. She cannot get the gahamatam da delta Z is equal to del A plus del B or no. Adon the equation you conclude conclude when two quantities are added or subtracted, the absolute error in the final result is the sum of the absolute errors in the individual quantities in high error. And high error any quantities in your physical quantity any color and how physical quantity do either tinjanaba natra khadunaba either sum or difference ko do tomatam da high ani dugi your mathematical manipulation tormatung da magi absolute error do madu kya ga managa ge ham tabda ko ngasai physical quantity A gi A amasung B de leba magi kai magi absolute error do adu ani do tinjana ba chap manani isne. So this here del Z is equal magi sigi Z sigi magi kari absolute error ni del A is the absolute error of the physical quantity A adu delta B sina delta B is the kari the absolute error of the physical quantity B do cinema is. Physics addition and subtraction of error tormatungda let us do ko error of a product ko. Suppose two physical quantities A habanga B habanga ko is measure to see aruga magi muigi measure value sina a plus minus delta a aduga b giduna b plus minus delta b orisiko otadi for product let us define z is equal to ab si tono matung de koi z amasung ab gi value option matamda you will get this expression ko si expression phangani ko yungo sigi left hand side se koi thambiraba right hand side se let us manipulate ko a na b da muk a na delta b da muk adagi muk delta a na kamai to ba b da muk delta a na delta b da muk yung sumain thame ko tadi you will get this expression ko higher expression na koi kamai to ba let us divide both side by z aduga sigi last ki term se the soidana delta a by a delta b by b have a term yar ko ne that term will be very small and let us ignore that part adugi part to phasani ignore to siko sigi first term sindi 1 ga manarni shisu kya ga manarni that will be given by this so divide both side by z and ignoring ko smaller values will get a plus minus delta z by z is equal to a plus minus shina kya tadoiba delta a by a kya tadoiba plus delta b by b tarne yare ko aduna di mai su swai to dana there will be 4 possible values leni ko delta z by z sigi my possible value mari leni adi possible sing digi my maximum value se kanan oigedagi hai matam dana delta z by z is equal to delta a by a plus delta b by b no oine siman note toksalo next hoji yo akoi hoji the error of a question mu to shiko haidi amuk divide to orna kamai to baina adu kandani ho zc is defined by a by b tore shidi jo khoi z ki value du z ko plus minus delta z thame is equal to a plus minus delta a thame divided by b plus minus delta b thame shidi jo khoi a se common log thuk si khoi yo numerator de di a common log thuk si ko denominator de b common log thuk si de tadi a b di kai manani z ka mana doini yan tare ko sigi portion khoi mathak thangat che sigi a plus minus delta b by b se sin mathak thangadi there will be a minus sign here si ji khoi binomial term de ji if we ko express to the first second term no khutang lo ba then we'll get this value z into 1 plus minus delta a by a into ko a minus plus delta b by b phangani adi khoi ji smai thambe we can put in this expression ko 1 plus minus delta z by z is equal to was 1 plus minus delta a by a minus plus delta b by b plus minus delta a by a into delta b by b hoji khoi ngasai yo khoi multiplication ta to sigi term se khoi let us ignore this part ko adu khoi kamai thambe yare we can put in this form ko adi magi maximum value to khoi kya tarni smai to dana delta z by z ki su magi possible magi kai lakani magi possible magi value mari lakani ko adu value mari du gi khoi na kamai to ba the maximum value will be delta z by z is equal to delta a by a plus delta b by b tane adu ne khoi na kai hare for khoi na kai habe ai when two quantities are multiply or divide ko the relative error in the result is a sum of the relative errors in the multiplier have hai dekho quantity ani kak loring khase a have b have lo widina ko mabani du issue relative error soin leine manatra ata dekho ani do multiply tor matung da multiply torokana tarai ba magi value do adu relative error do madu kya ga manage dege hai matam da the sum of the relative error of a and b ga manani have next hoji the error in case of a measured quantity raised to a power mu yengsi adu kandani suppose z is equal to a to the power n have khanasi so therefore the relative error in z se sidium kai ga manarni del z by z is equal to n times del a by a manane have na shin haidi kano the relative error in a physical quantity raised to the power n is the n times the relative error in the individual quantity have and any physical quantity no si go my power n le remain khalasi z sigi my relative haidi error se masi kya tarakati ha matam da n times the relative error of this individual kari physical quantity a c times tarakani ha yo in general khoi ne kahabi ai zc is equal to ap a to the power p b to the power q divided by c to the power r whatever no ni am section gadam na sigi p q r se these are the simple number ko positive obi ai negative obi ai ado sigi a b c sina these are physical quantity sima ka roi de ko odadi the relative error in z se si kya manani ha matam da p times the relative error of a plus q times the relative error of b and r times the relative error of c dani next to ji khoi ji area matang si hape charo pama khangabani na significant figure habam toksi significant figure ji kai no si khangdri ga da khoi na khangi yo the result of every measurement involves error ina any khoi na measurement am to matam da error khara didum khoi na kamai to ba associate to now the result of measurement should be reported in a way that it indicates the precision of measurement khoi measurement yo precision ni khoi khangi na ko haidi magi resolution magi khoi na oliba khulai dugi magi resolution do adui matung ine thamba my result to now khoi normally khoi na kamai to ga matam da the reported result of measurement is a number that includes all digits in a number that are known reliably plus the first digit that is uncertain. The reliable digits plus the first uncertain digits are known as significant digits or significant figure. Aduna significant figure na kai haige haitadi the significant figures are the digits which tell us the number of units we are reasonably sure of having count in making a measurement. Huji mo sigi aina hai wasing si example am loroga yeng se example am yaw tragadi gyan ta wat kani ko so let us do one example. Yo akoi huji illustration hai duni ko huji akoi na simple pendulum amagi akoi period am on se the period of oscillation of a simple pendulum is 1.62 second waiting khala se simple pendulum gi time period lo matam da magi measure value is 1.62 second and report to ren log se sigi particular number se 1.62 second sida mana kamai to ga matam da 1 amaga 6 ka se so the digits 1 and 2 are reliable and certain so shoi dana magi leira bane yai ko aduga sigi digit number 2 se sin uncertain oi gamen ta da bai tare 1.6 poti shoi dana chumdoro sigi 2 se khangdo yeah, aduna koi kehare the measure value has 3 significant figure higher never. Yeah, ko aduna ngase uncertain do adubok logo do uncertain oibo do adubok ta kya le hige do that will give you the significant figures. And the significant figures is some na koina any measurement ma koina olak matam da yo ko significant figure ji koina khangi karamba khulai na olang ga de se ko si dum khang mangam ne. Yamna ko corrected term the p by 1 quotient have the ko. Now ko ji my significant figures gi rule kharli ko haidi akoina any number am piram matam mon significant figure kyam yawi se koi khangna baitam mata rule khara follow tawne aham rules ne ke hage matam da all the non zero digits are significant any measurement am da koi ji number am report taw ring se for example say 1 2 3 haba koi number am koi report taw ring se ko adu ta di 1 2 3 se low significant oine so you see examples da 1 2 3 se 123 se has 3 significant figure second rule na ke hai all the zeros between two non zero digits are significant. Any non-zero digit any key manung zero mem yaw khala seba adu zero sin do lo significant oineba no matter where the decimal point is if at all decimal point yaw yaro gara any non digit gi marak ta zero yaro ba zero sin do count tong ni example ma hagi am example da 1.0023 have a number ma khoi lower si second number si di zero kamai to ba 0 ani se lies between 1 and 2 adundi shi kamai to ni 0 si count to ni 0 ni max adundi 1.0023 has 5 significant figures atopam ne decimal yaudu mong lok si ko 1008 have number mong lok se 1008 have number se sididi 4 significant figure yaw ne kai marang no because 1 ga 8 ki marak yaw 0 ni do adu su count to ne sini ko next atopa rule lam ne if the number is less than 1, the zeros on the right of the decimal point but to the left of the first non-zero digit are not significant. Example am lowering ko example yo 0.008432 c wadin p ni ko c number se loksel c number se kamai to ga matam de akoina 0.00 se cd rule gi matung ina akoi kamai to ba significant oiro manam ni mari kamai to ba madi somda kamai to ba akoi gi left le bini ne ko ai chigi magi sida kayumba hai ba ko zero si mamang da soidana nan zero ne da di significant oidune ba ko nan zero kai yaudra na madi 0.00 di significant so or and significant oidu di remaining 4 digit to 8432 sine ko so therefore 0.008432 has 4 significant figures atobu rule lamna the terminal or trailing zeros in a number without a decimal point are not significant. Any non-zero gi akhoi right hand side leba akhoi zero sing se kayum ba akhoi decimal yaudra adudi count mu taro mas haibi atdi example na harabadi 89400 have a number ama akhoi uji lower se ko si number si de yo 894 se khoi first akhoi ni yeng dui si decimal level late right decimal late ko adagi mu 00 gi matung da non-zero yaubra na yeng du yaudi dana ko and 0 is the count taro. So therefore 894 has 3 significant figures. Adubu satrana yam section gadamna high ribbon numbers you can experiment the kima lapo eramo any particular experiment ma say 89400 meter hiding khalasini experiment or lapo ta adu ka dadi 0 ni do count to ni sima ka roid ano as far as possible ko koi isam sam na smile piram magadi 89400 piram magadi 894 dumak hoina significant count to ne. Next, atopa amurul lamana the trailing zeros in a number with a decimal point are significant. See example to see si ko any non-zero adu decimal me aba adu matung leba zero di like count tong ne say 461.00 hiding khalase see number si 461 are non-zeros ko aduga last ki zero ani ju kamai to ba after a decimal after a non-zero aduna kamai to ge hai matamda moi se loy mak zero ju count only 461 ju count on. So it has 5 significant figures. Next, the number of significant figure does not depend on the system of unit using. Ko unit to hongdong jin to matamna significant figure da kaim ta hong male ro. Example in have the 8.594 centimeters se akoina meter dong thong matamna kya tani 0.08594 meter tane. Adikanda you will observe in this in both the numbers ko 8.594 centimeter or 0.08594 meter to matam da kamai to ba animakta 4 significant figure dum oine ya adu dio 0.08594 meter da ngasai aham bagi ai ki mamanda liba 0 ni do madu khoina count to. So therefore it has 4 significant figures. Aduna my unit to change to get to regera significant figure da kaim ta ohong malai roi hoji koi significant figure gi habit idea khang matung da next order of magnitude habam toksi yo order of magnitude khangna bidam ta khoina khoi fast ta khoi number emoji consider toksi ko so consider a number in the form of a ko into 10 to the power b habam where a is a number between 1 and 10 ko aduga b is any positive or negative exponent obi of power of 10 ogeta ko b is 1 obi 2 obi -1 obi -3 obi any high winning boy ko. Next, in order to get an approximate idea of the number we may round off the number a to 1 for a is equal to lesser than 5 sigi a is shina shi mathak te pi a shina kari gumba say 4 or 3 or 2 or ko dadi akoina 1 ga mane lone adu kari gumba a to 10 ko a si 10 ga man han ne ba karam kanda sa a sina 5 amasung 10 gi manung ne ro haibi arthadi sai a si 6 or men khala se ba adu 6 akoina 10 en loksala ne gan tai ko a sina kayumba 1 2 3 4 5 point ba 1 ga mane lo aduga 6 7 8 9 oirama adu ergana kamai to ba 1 ga mane logo. Then in that case the number can be expressed approximately as a to the power b nin koi lower ne haidinga sai a do koina 1 natraga 10 ga mane handoin kayumba 1 oirame 10 to the power b da doini ko aduga a din ko ima 10 oirama di 10 to the power b plus 1 la ko sima ka gunu ko adu koina 10 to the power b nin nokshle ko common ne ko adu tadi in which the exponent of power b of 10 is called the order of magnitude of the physical quantity in defined way. Hoji example am lok shi amhen gyan ta na ba shi theory ni ne khara gyan ta what kan ko adu example am lok kan amhen gyan ta ka so let us see ko example de hoji koi number am khaner si ko 1.28 into 10 to the power 7 meter habam khaner si sige je khana matam da 1.28 si less than 5 ni and masi 1 ga mane lo be odadi 1.28 into 10 to the power 7 meter do approximately equal to 10 to the power 7 meter dum ta jara ne maram di 1.28 to koina 1 lo khram dina odadi koina ka habe are the given number ko 1.28 into 10 to the power 7 meter is of the order of 10 to the power 7 meter with the order of magnitude kya मान दोइबा 7 के मान दोइबा हेंग सोइदना करिगो 1.28 छिना 7 गो 8 गो ओइरमेन खलेसिनी 8 into 10 to the power 7 गो ओइरमेन खलेसे बको अदु कांदि ngachai 8 to 10 ga मान हलनि अदु कांदना कमाय तो दोइबा the order of the magnitude will become 8 with you 10 to the power 8 lakado next huji koi significant figure khange adi order of the magnitude khange huji yo the rounding off of the uncertain digits toksimu rounding off the bomb da ka record yo six you khona kamai to ba if the digit to be dropped is smaller than 5 then the preceding digit should be left unchanged my rule khar le ko aham rule ni aina hairi si rule si matung ni ke hai akhoi any akhoi na hoji round up tawduri ba magi value do adu kai gumba 510 pm ba adu tadi magi next la ko ba term do madu kamai to ba akhoi na 880 dum thamni ha yo example am loge any number am log si ko 8.7645 habam log si masi khoi na 3 significant figure da rounding off tawning lor se my approximate my value ma khoi na hoji rounding off tawning lor se o ta de khoi na hoji 3 number से थीटा है 8.76 को 8.76 सिगी हेक 6 सिगी हेक नाकन जे क्या लेगे 6 सिगी नाकन से कोई लेरी सी 4 ने नट्रो 4 ले ने 4 सी 510 pm अदना 6 से कम तो होंग रोयो so the number will become 8.7645 अहाम 5 significant figure ओरम बदो होजी 3 राउंडिंग ऑफ तौता रगदी 8.76 दम ओरने अतोब रूल से क्या है if the digit to be dropped is greater than 5 को then the preceding digit should be increased by 1 अदु सिदनु कमाय तो बा 5 ते चौरम बा 1 तिंजन बाय तारे एग्जांपल है बदा कोई नंबर हम लोसी 4.5782 है नंबर अमा सिदा यावरिसी 5 significant figure नि हम यावजरे मिसे सिदा करिउम खोइना 3 significant figure de कयम राउंडिंग ऑफ टाउनिंग अबा अतदि खोइना क्वाइ फास्ट 4.57 दो 7 सी हेक मतुंग द क्या लेगे यंगने 7 सी हेक मतुंग द 8 लेदिना को 85 10 चाउद्रो 5 10 चाउरम ने रूल की मतुंग ने कमाय तोनी 7 सी द 1 में तिनजलने so therefore the 4.5782 will become 4.58 after rounding off to 3 significant figures next rules no kage matamda if the digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by zeros then the preceding digit is not changed if it is even number hoji khoi nga sai aha ma to hidini 5 pm ba 5 choroma kan ni ko hoji no 5 ka manara madi kamai to gisini do 5 ka manara ma su 5 ki he mathang du ko ma 0 le ma ba oi tadi kamai to ge ha matam da khoi no ji drop to dori number do madu kamai to na change to du even ora madi kaim change to ra example na ha ba de 5.750 si khoi na 3 significant figure da ko rounding up to ni lor se ओदादी क्वाइ फास्ट अखोइना 5.74 से थमनी को दो नेक्स्ट येंगनी 4 की मथंग दे क्या लेगिन 5 लेरम 5 लेदि बेरा लेरे होजि को रूल की मतुंग इन 5 की मतुंग द क्या लेयंग येंगनी 0 लेरे 0 लेता दि खोजि येंग तारे होजि अखोइगी 5 की हेक ममांग लेबन नंबर दो इवन ला ऑनलाइन इवन ओरेदना को इवन ओरेमदिना केबदि लेंगबि अदु बोदुम थमनी so therefore 5.7450 will become 5.74 when rounding off to 3 significant figures अतोब रूल नम क्या है यो होजि के इवन ओबिनी ओड ओरे मदिनी को if the digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by zeros then the preceding digit is raised by 1 if it is odd sidana odd oire madium kamai to ba 1 hapsen ni have example na have dio any number am lo siko 8.7350 c 5 significant figure ni yaujare mi se masi 3 significant figure da khone rounding up to ge hai taragadi 8.73 की मतुंग देबा 5 से मखोई येंगनी 5 की मतुंग द कई ले येंगनी 5 की मतुंग द खोइना 0 लेरे और तादि खोइ रूल से अप्लाई तौ तारे 5 की ममांग दा इवन लेब्रा ओड लेब्रा येंगनी अदु हुजि कमाय तोबा 5 की ममांग सिदा यो आइदि ओड लेरबनिना माई वैल्यू द क्या लाने 8.74 लाने हबी अर्थदी द नंबर 8.7350 से मसी 3 significant figure दा rounding off तो मतलब क्या लगा देखा है मतलब 8.74 लाने next अखोई उसी हो rules for arithmetic operation with significant figure नंग यिंग सिको अहम रूल न क्या है in multiplication or division any number ani kha khoina multiplication natra division tawring khalisini ko adu matam da magi significant figure se kya bok rounding up to thangadam noi adu ni mana ke hai rule gi matung ina ko in multiplication or division the final result should retain as many significant figure as are there in the original number with the least significant figure in sigu jo koi example am lo reng se example koi uji ho 4.273 gram divided by 2.51 centimeter cube yare ko masig je divide to matam da koi answer se kya tar khani some value khar lok si ko 1.688047 polor si magi dum value khar ju lereng ngeng khali ko adu sibok lor si sibok lo matam rule gi matung ni kai division to tar gadi sigi number ani division to number ni se si khwaili pikpa significant figure si hana thiyo ahambagi 4.237 grams the lady si 4 significant figure ni natro aduga 2.51 centimeter cube tana 3 significant figure adu the answer do madu 3 significant figure tham da karo adu ni kya ta khani hoji 3 significant figure thamge tadi 1.68 bolor ni aduga 8 se si 8 ki ha mathang lei ba koi number si kya lege ngane 5 ti chawbra natraga 5 ti pikbra natraga manabra si adu 8 ki ha mathang da lei si 5 10 chawre adu ni koi ji kamai tok tare si 8 da 1 am hapsin mi tare rule gi matung rounding off ki rule gi matung ina adu the answer will become how much can you guess it kya ta do mali hape khallu so the answer will be obviously ko 1.69 gram centimeter cube yare ko ji atopa example am no koi multiplication da in case of multiplication de dio koi number ani ka luksi ko 3.00 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second into 3.17557 into 10 to the power 7 seconds je masigi je koina normally multiply to matam da my answer je 9.4671 into 10 to the power 15 meter ko mata rakne yare ko si rough value ni ko si hena yam masu ai my decimal se ai di hena yarom masu ai ko sibok tong lukse anu ji rule gi matung ina koin kamai tok tare hariba number ani se sida khwai digi pikpa significant figure se kana yaugi hana yengo yo sigi case di 3.00 10 to the power 8 di there are only 3 significant figure yes kauri damam na any 10 to the power lak pase so these are not counted as significant figure si significant figure da count so to 10 to the power lak pase haidi order se masi significant figure on matam da khoina count tok di si ma kauri da ko next 3.1557 se into 10 to the power 7 de su si 10 to the power 7 de count to roi na ra si kya la re so these are all kari non zero aduna kya tani the number of significant figure will be 5 aduna di 3 significant figure ga 5 significant figure ani ji into to buni na answer se least significant figure da tham doine adun di ka kana ne pi 3 in pick draw so therefore the answer should be kya ta doi ba 6 3 tham doine na you have to again rounding off 9.46 lobiro 7 is the 5 10 sawi the answer kya la kani you can guess it ko so the answer should be 9.4 kya 7 into 10 to the power 15 meter la ne yare ko si rule ni ko next atoba rule lamna addition amu subtraction di kai togen in case of in addition of subtraction the final result should retain as many decimal places as there are in a number with the least decimal place sidana mu khoina in case of addition of subtraction di decimal da yang ane khoi pick decimal do adugi phob da thamne example ma tori ying si ko aham example de 436.32 meter plus 227.2 meter plus 0.301 meter se masi akoi tijana matam da 663.821 meter tare adu ba khone sidi yeng do number ahum pyramid se si number ahum sida ko decimal da kari kana na hana khwai digi karam bana khwai di pick ne decimal legen aham gi number sida 3 2 si 2 ni ahum subadana ahum ni adu sidana ama khatani 0.2 ne legi se na 227.2 se aduna answer to kya thamdoi ba after decimal only one place khatang thamne one decimal place khatang aduna di sigi 663.8 pok ni khoin thamdoi se ko 8 we have to rounding off to matam da yo 8 ke mathang da 2 si 5 10 pick panina 8 se dum kaim leng dum thamane so therefore my answer to kya tabai ai hypotheory ai harke adu chumri ko so that you can verify yourself ko kya tai so answer should be 663.8 adum dazarane aduna in case of addition or addition di kamai to ba sigi mai minimum sigi kano se yeng ne haidi mai mamang da yawnung ba yaw sunu kamda dakar wi ko decimal point do ko list ko ngasai samak to riba number sing se sigi decimal point se khwai pick po do adugi kano place book ta kari decimal place book ta hoina thamne atoba example ngu ying siko subtraction deni o 15.637 meter minus 5.42 meter to right shide so answer si ko exact answer di ko 10.217 thame ko 10.217 meter adu bu khoina kamai to ba hoji answer da ko proper in thangge da kamai to ni my decimal place yeng ni quite people karam no sidani o there are 3 decimal places ko sidana 2 so therefore my answer to kya thamni the answer should be in 2 decimal point adu answer kya tarakani 10.21 sibok to koi thamdoi ni ko adu hoji yeng ni 1 da thamba ya bra da bra na so 1 ge mathang libe se ko rounding off sin tare ko adu kani kamai to ni 7 sin yo 5 10 chaw ni na 1 da 1 angong hapchalani so therefore answer kya tarakani you just guess it once again so answer should be 10.22 meter tarne so sigi rule ani se khoina sinaraga magi value se chap cha value de kyam thangode ge se khoina yam laina hai khot pe so khoi nga sigi oina di sigi sing shi igaluina na khoi lo sele ko so next time we'll bring more topics loina na khoi nga si yang biri ba satra sing bu khoina thagat chari ko thank you very much